Good morning everyone. So the topic that I will be going to tackle today is about attributes, qualities, and characteristics of entrepreneur. So when we say attributes of entrepreneur, it refers to the personality traits, skills, and characteristics that create and manage businesses. And the qualities of entrepreneur refers to the specific traits, skills, and mindset that successful entrepreneurs possess and cultivate to thrive in the dynamic world and business creation and management. And the characteristic of entrepreneur refers to the traits and qualities that define a successful entrepreneur and contribute to their abilities to create and grow a business. So these are the attributes, qualities, and characteristics of entrepreneurship. So first is who an entrepreneur is. So an individual who owns and manages his own business and also engage in selling. So they take risks by innovating with factors of production, exploiting opportunities for change. Next is quant. So quant is innovator who does new things or does things in a new way, searches for change. So next is self-awareness. So self-awareness knows who he is, what he is good at, and what he likes to do. So when you start business that is based on expertise and specific field and focuses his involvement in an area that thoroughly enjoy. Self-motivated. So self-motivated is what gives him the tenacity and confidence to call on potential clients even though he has heard no for 3 times or more. So self-motivated is one of the most important personality traits of successful entrepreneurs. So next one is the courage. So courage is the willingness to take a chance or take a risk. So when we say risk-taking, it talks about they are not foolhardy as they undertake activities where they know nothing, all possibilities to success. Next is confidence. So confidence achieved because of positive thinking. Why? Because entrepreneurs think of success and bright sides. The next one is patience. So there will be times it feels like the roof is caving in. So especially when the customer's demands seems to be unrealistic. So next is experience. So we're directly related to business he is planning to start. It is key component for growth. So our experience is a primary reason some of business falls within few years of startup. It is because of lack of business experience. So next is knowledge. So one has a better chance by knowing about business basic. So next one is information seeking, is to assure accomplishment goals. So the entrepreneurs continuously seeks for relevant information regarding to markets, clients, suppliers, competitors, and consult experts' advice on business and other technical matters. Demand for efficiency and quality. Always strives to find ways to do things better, faster, and at a lower cost. Next is persuasion and networking. So easily establishes a network of personal and business contracts around you. Power is required to achieve business objectives. These are some attributes, qualities, and characteristics of entrepreneurs. So some entrepreneurs believe that success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is a courage to continue that counts. That would be all. Thank you.